Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You know what we cooking today? We cooking some turkey wings or turkey wings. Let's get it. Now we're gonna take our turkey wings, open up the pack. Just put them on the pan that we can season them with. And make sure you always wipe your hands, baby. Alright, let's season them up. We're going to put some black pepper on them. Some onion powder. A little Tony saturate. And don't be shy. Let me turn it over and repeat the process. We're also going to season our flour. Right now we just season our turkey wings. We're going to put them in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Let that seasoning marinate. And by the way, that Top Texas spice is coming to the marketplace soon. Let's put them bad boys in the ice box and let them sit in here for a minute. And I say a minute, I'm talking about 2 hours. Make some room there. Now I'm going to season my flour. A little Tony saturate. Onion powder. Black pepper. And let's give it a whisk to kind of mix your seasonings all up in the flour. Alright, let's take these turkey wings out. This is how you want your turkey wings to look. Nice and seasoned. Now we're going to take the top off and put our olive oil in here. You want enough to coat the bottom. Maybe about 1/4 of a cup. Put the top on, let that start warming up. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, let's start battering our turkey wings up. Put a nice little coat of flour on it. I didn't do any egg wash. And I just did that on purpose. You got enough moisture on the wings to actually let the flour stick. I just want to make a little crust when I put them on the fire. Now that I got them all battered up, we'll check our olive oil over there that's heating up. Alright, let's see if our grease is ready to put our turkey wings in there. And I'm sorry, olive oil. So it's got a little sizzle. I just dropped a little dab of water in it. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can hear them boys sizzling. I'm going to turn that 3/4 high on this burner. Turn the fire 3/4 high. Let's put that top on there and let's get a crust on them bad boys. Let's get it. Alright, let's see how it look. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, let's take this top off and let's turn these bad boys over. Look at them bad boys. They got a nice brown crust on them. That's how you want them. Put that lid back on there, baby. Oh yeah. And since they pretty thick, like that, so I'll try to let them cook about 30 minutes, about on a medium fire. Now I'm gonna cut me an onion up. Probably about, I'm not going to even do half. Actually, I'm going to do half. Half of I would consider that a medium to large size onion. Alright. And then I actually have, man, I want to say about 1/4 of a pepper that my neighbors gave me, John and Sharon. Amazing neighbors, amazing. I'm going to cut this up and I'm going to add that in there too. And I'm cutting it up small because that bad boy got a kick to it. Okay? Alright, let's see how these babies looking. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice little crust on it. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're going to go and put our little peppers in there. Then we're going to put our onions in there. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Alright, let's stir it around a little bit. I want those onions to kind of saute down. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of minced garlic. But I always add my garlic probably about in the 3/4 stage of my meal being done. Oh my God, look at that. That looked amazing. So now what, my onions are where I want them. I'm going to add 2 cups of water. I'm going to turn the fire up and let them get to boiling. Turn it all the way on high. Now them bad boys are boiling. Yes, sir. Alright, we got that bad boy boiling. Then let's add some more water to it. So I added 2 more cups. We're going to get that to boiling also. Now that it's boiling again, I'm going to add my tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic, to it. Kind of stir it up a little bit. I'm going to get a continuous boil for about 30 minutes. So now these bad boys are boiling again. Try to turn them around a little bit. Oh my God. It's starting to look pretty good there, baby. So I'm going to turn this fire down and I'm just going to let them simmer. Yes, sir. Man, now that's what I'm talking about. Ooh, turkey wings or turkey wings. Wow. And I got some green beans right here. Look at that, folks. Come on now. Big Daddy Cooking Show. Man, thank you for watching Big Daddy's show today. You make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Last but not least, beastin' it.